15.13 Structures and Functions. Already we learnt functions. Subsequently, after learning functions, we passed variables as function argument. We passed variables as an argument through a function, array variables, string variables. Now we are going to pass structure type variables also using the same syntax. Here already I explained to you, any element can be passed through a function in two ways. The first one is by value, second one is by address. In this case, let us pass a structure variable by value, structure variable by syntax. Here one thing, syntaxes are same, similar syntaxes. Ordinary variable is small, structure variable is big, but small or big syntax are same. That point you have to grasp. Here first focus, before entering into the program, first focus on the page number 834. 34, now you see, we are defining a already structure report we defined, that I am not writing. Now you see, struct report S1. This is what you call the variable of the struct report. Now I want to pass, how I can pass display S1. Now this is the function call. Through the function call I pass. Who can receive it? That is the point. Now you see, this is the function header of display. Display, who can receive it? I am passing structure type variable. Who can receive it? Struct report X. This is a formal argument. Now what type of argument I am passing? I am passing S1 of struct report type. Who can receive it? Struct report type variable only can receive it. Now S1 is copied to X, then you can display within the body of the function. In the similar way, now we can pass address also. Address of variable. Now you see that. Who can receive it? Now simple thing. Who can receive it? Pointer. Addresses can be stored in the pointer. Already many times I explained. So you are passing address. Who can receive it? Pointer of the same type. Structure report type pointer X receives it. Thereafter, value stored at address by indirection we can use the values. So I have given 4 programs, 2 on pass by value and 2 on pass by address. Just you have to thoroughly study this, then only you can understand that. 835, 15.10. Page number 835, 15.10. Now one report we declared, structure declaration, line number 5 to 10. Thereafter, we are passing the value to the display function. We declared variable, structure report type variable S1, and 14th line, structure report display S1, we are passing. Who can receive it? Header, 16th line you see, struct report type X, that is the formal argument. How you are writing? X dot state, X dot sales, X dot orders. So you passed structure by value and same struct type report received it, and then it has written, it displayed all the values. The similar program by address also we see, that is 15.12. 15.12, now you see, one structure you declared, and 13th line, structure report variable you declared and initialized, and what you are passing, 14th line, display and S1, then who can receive it? The same struct report type pointer can receive it. The star symbol you can suffix to report also, nothing wrong. Then after receiving that, what notation you have to use? Pointer oriented notation, arrow symbol you have to use. X arrow state, X arrow sales, X arrow orders, you have to write. In the similar fashion, the same concept, 15.11 and 15.13, 2 programs I have given, same thing, concept is same. So you try to understand them and write the programs independently. So it gives you good exercise that is very much required. And so what you can understand, through function calls, we can pass structure variable by value or through by address. When you pass by value, the similar type of variable will receive, and pass by address, similar type of pointer variable receives it. That is the point you must understand.